Hi guys, it's Off-Road SCX10 here, and today we're going to be bringing you a video on how to install an LED light bar. The light bar used in this video is from RC Lighthouse. Special thanks to them. Go check out their website, the link's in the description. The tools you need to install the light bar are LEDs, either with a 9-volt connector or a JR plug. We have a toggle switch on this. You need your light bar, courtesy of RC Lighthouse, a 9-volt battery, some installation tape, a permanent marker and a ruler, needle nose pliers, a screwdriver, and a drill, and a body. First, you need to decide where to put your light bar. At the front of the body, the front of the cab, or the rear of the cab. We decided to put ours on the front of the cab. You need to measure out where you want your holes to be so the light bar is centered on the body. Use your permanent marker to mark these holes, so then they are ready for drilling. As you can see, the light bar sits really nicely. Unscrew the back of the light buckets so you can put the LEDs in. Now you need to mark where the wires will go through the body. Now you need to poke the LEDs through the hole. Then put the LED light bar back on. Put the LEDs back into the light buckets. Now screw the back of the buckets back on. Secure the wires with tape to the body. Now you need to mount the switch. Mark where you want to put it and then drill a hole. Now the hole is being drilled, you need to secure the switch tightly with the bolts provided. Now tape the rest of the wires to the ceiling of the body. Now tape the battery to the body. We use sticky pads instead. These are slightly stronger. And here is the finished product. Thanks for watching, please subscribe for more stuff like this. If you want to find out any more information about RC Lighthouse, go to the description below.